More than 30 pound the wrist. But if I do people on the list, so we are the illness them now. Got tell them cause of politics now.
Yo, you don't know, see a face coming at the place again. Yo, on a serious note, yo. But you don't know, say, yo, times hard and everything right now. Some people, they are me hard now, nothing is me as a. But you know, say times hard right now. Well, guess what? You see, once you have a life, there is hope. You see me? So if you have a dream, work towards that dream. You see me? I say, don't just sit down and have that dream lock up in your head, lock up in your brain, because you're afraid of what other people are gonna say. You're afraid of criticism. Don't afraid of that. Then the thing they hold you down. And that's how the poor mentality. You see me? I say, you have to broke out of that. No response about what nobody say. Just get up, do your thing. Accomplishing your goals is like climbing a mountain. It'll go hard. Not go easy. Tell her that it'll go hard. It's hard as fuck. But guess what? You have to do it in a small increments. Might take longer. It'll take you long if you accomplish it. But by doing it by taking it a step at a time, it's not like you're not gonna make no step. You're gonna make step and you get closer to the mountain. You get closer to the peak. You see me? I say, you walk, get tired, sit down and go and rest. You see me? I say, but don't rest for too long. Get up again, walk again, rest. Get up again, walk again, rest. And eventually, if you keep up the progress, if you keep it up, then you'll eventually reach the peak of the mountain. So the same reasoning if you apply to accomplishing your goals. You see me? I say, do it little. You see me? Then ease up and say, yo, med little bit and say, yo, figure out where you can do better upon that. Feel, go up on it again, try again, feel, try again until you reach your goal. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So just continue to work on your dream and don't give up. You know the same song where Alkaline sing about way up. You have one line where say, who bless the man that cuss you, talk it and the cuss you.
Who bless the man that cuss you, talk it and the cuss you. I forget the girl how much more pay that.
Yo, that line they deep you fuck. Basically when it based on my understanding when man I say yo, if you continue say yo, say you bless yo, blessing will continue flowing upon you. You see me? If you talk say yo, you curse I go running upon you. So always keep your mind positive. You see me? I say always have a positive motive. You see me? So just I say yo and just keep up the hope. You see me? I say just be persistent for one day with. Don't give up on the dream. Yeah man. So if you guys like contents like this, like motivational contents and deep medicine in the lyrics and them something there, deep review in the lyrics, I highly suggest subscribe to the channel, give video a like, and also share the video to your friends and everybody. You see me? I say, yeah, I hit that face call out. Mad.
Yeah, no boy, not give me the chat, not to the burn, I know my buckle. Mad them for see how we are flash, yeah, we up. Take care of my business every time. I the only thing that on my mind. Dollar, gotta get him on there.